let's take a look at some cool gadgets that are useful, practical, and just plain cool. Whether you're looking for smart solutions or cool designs, there's something here for everyone. The Yarbo robotic trimmer is here, and it's more than just a lawn gadget. This is Yarbo's latest upgrade, built to handle your yard with serious precision. If you've already seen what the Yarbo mower can do, this trimmer module takes things even further. You get perfect edges without breaking a sweat. Its automatic line feed means the string adjusts itself while it works, so you're never stuck replacing it mid-job. The floating structure keeps the trimmer steady on uneven ground, while the flexible rebound design helps it bounce back from obstacles without missing a beat. It handles curbs, corners, slopes, pretty much any terrain. You can even trim along walkways without worrying about manual touch-ups. Just set it, forget it, and let it do the heavy lifting. What makes it even better is the modular system. The same Yarbo base can switch between the mower, the snowblower, the leaf blower, and now the trimmer. That's year-round yard care with one smart device. So if you're ready to automate the boring stuff and still get clean, professional-looking edges, the Yarbo robotic trimmer is worth a serious look. If you're tired of chasing dust bunnies and tangled cords, meet the eufy E28 Omni Robot Vacuum, a serious upgrade for your home cleaning game. This robot doesn't just vacuum, it deep cleans with hydrojet floor washing technology, giving your floors a fresh, scrubbed finish. And with 20,000 Pascal turbo suction, it picks up everything from fine dust to stubborn pet hair without flinching. Corners, handled. The corner rover arm extends to reach tight edges most vacuums miss. It even comes with a Flexi 1 portable deep cleaner, so you can tackle stairs, furniture, or car interiors with ease. One of the smartest features, IC mess recognition. It spots spills, clutter, or dirt zones and adjusts cleaning power in real time. Plus, the Duo Spiral Anti-Tangling system means no more hair jams slowing it down. It holds a ton too. The 3-litre dust bag means fewer trips to the bin. And best of all, it's fully self-maintaining, from self-emptying to auto-cleaning. So if you want hands-free cleaning with serious power and smart tech to back it up, the eufy E28 Omni is hard to beat. If you thought the XM5s were good, the new Sony WH-1000 XM6 just raised the bar. With 1.5x more sensors and 12 precision microphones, these headphones take noise cancelling to the next level. Whether you're on a flight or walking through a busy street, they isolate sound so well it feels like silence on demand. At the heart of it all is a next-gen chip that's 7 times faster, giving you smoother, more responsive control. The newly developed driver unit delivers richer bass and cleaner highs, tuned in collaboration with world-renowned sound engineers. You also get 360 reality audio upmix, which turns any track or movie into a full-on spatial experience. And for calls, these headphones come with 6 noise-cancelling AI beamforming mics, built to cut through background chatter so your voice stays sharp and clear. They're light, super comfy, and perfect for long listening sessions or long meetings. Plus, with intelligent adaptive sound, they automatically adjust noise reduction based on your surroundings. If you're serious about sound and silence, the WH-1000 XM6 is easily one of the best wireless headphones out there right now. This is the CARVERA Air, a serious CNC machine packed into a desktop-sized body. If you're into precision, speed, and creative freedom, this one's made for you. It starts with a solid metal alloy and stainless steel frame, giving you industrial-level stability right out of the box. Tool changes? Super fast with the quick change system. Just swap and go, no downtime. It's smart too. With auto probing and leveling, you don't have to waste time adjusting or measuring. The machine handles that for you. Want to go beyond standard milling? The double-sided PCB capability means you can prototype electronics right on your desk. And yes, there's support for silkscreen printing too. Dust? Managed. Hook up external collection and keep your space clean. Want to take it even further? Add the optional laser module or a fourth axis attachment to push into engraving, 3D carving, and more. And with AI-assisted design and built-in toolpath generation, even beginners can go from sketch to finished piece in no time. Just import, model in 3D, and let the software guide you. The CARVERA Air isn't just a CNC router. It's your all-in-one maker's workshop, compact enough to fit on a desk, but powerful enough to create just about anything. Say hello to the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge. Samsung's slimmest phone ever, measuring just 5.8 millimeters thick. It's incredibly light too, at only 163 grams, so it feels like you're holding nothing, until you start using it. The 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display is bright, sharp, and super responsive. Whether you're scrolling, streaming, or gaming, everything looks smooth and vibrant. It's the kind of screen you'll get lost in. Samsung didn't cut corners on durability either. The S25 Edge is built with titanium sides and ultra-tough glass, giving it a premium feel while standing up to daily life. With an IP68 rating, it's ready for a bit of water or dust. No worries there. The camera system is tuned to make every shot look great, even in tricky lighting. You've got features that help you shoot confidently, whether it's a quick selfie or a cinematic video. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor keeps everything running fast and smooth, while the all-day battery lets you stay unplugged from morning to night. If you want a phone that's slim, powerful, and sharp in every way, the Galaxy S25 Edge easily earns its spot in your pocket. The Creality Hi is a fully automated 3D printer that takes the hassle out of printing. It takes care of the basics with auto-filament loading and filament type detection, so you don't have to waste time manually configuring settings. Just open the app, tap once, and your print job begins. You can even watch your print live from anywhere. And if the filament runs out mid-print, it'll automatically switch to a new spool. No interruptions, no failed jobs. Whether you're new to 3D printing or you've been at it for years, the Creality Hi is all about convenience, consistency, and creativity. It's smart, smooth, and built to keep up with your ideas, from start to finish. The LG CineBeam Q is a smart portable projector that fits in your hand but delivers a full-on theatre vibe wherever you are. With auto screen adjustment, just place it down, and it automatically aligns the image and focuses. No fiddling required. Despite weighing just 3 pounds, it can project a stunning 4K UHD image up to 120 inches wide. Whether you're watching a movie or showing off vacation photos, it looks incredibly sharp and colourful. Thanks to WebOS, you can stream straight from your favourite sites with no extra devices needed. It also supports Apple AirPlay 2 and Android Screen Share, so casting from your phone is seamless and wireless. The RGB laser projection covers 154% of the DCI-P 3-color gamut, meaning colors pop and details look rich, even in darker scenes. Design-wise, it's compact, sleek, and has a 360-degree rotating handle for easy carrying or adjusting your viewing angle, wall or ceiling. With 500 ANSI lumens of brightness and Bluetooth audio output, the CineBeam Q delivers both visuals and sound that punch above its size. This is the 8-bit Do Retro R8 mouse, a throwback in style but totally modern under the hood. It's built with Keil GM 8.0 micro switches, so every click feels sharp and snappy. Need precision? The PAW3395 sensor delivers top-tier tracking, and with DPI adjustment, you can fine-tune it to match your workflow or playstyle. There's adapter storage built in, plus signal extension, making it ideal for portable setups. And if you're left-handed? No problem. Switch between left or right-hand mode in seconds. The customizable side buttons let you assign your most used shortcuts, so everything you need is just a tap away. The Cheerdots 2 AI mouse is a smart mouse that does way more than just point and click. This is the world's first ChatGPT-enabled AI recording mouse. With just one press, it starts recording your voice, transcribes everything in real time, and even summarizes your notes using built-in AI. No extra apps, no distractions. Just speak and go. It's perfect for meetings, brainstorming sessions, or quick ideas you don't want to lose. And when you're done, instantly generate notes and share them via QR code. It's that smooth. But it doesn't stop there. The customizable touchpad controls let you swipe to switch desktops, zoom in, and navigate like a pro. If you do presentations, you're going to love this. There's a built-in spotlight, laser pointer, and indicator light, all controlled right from the mouse. And it's super portable, so you can carry your entire workflow in your pocket. The CineBeam 2 AI mouse isn't just a tool, it's a productivity upgrade that works as smart as you do. This is the eufyMake E1, your all-in-one personal UV printer that turns ideas into products without needing a full studio. It's compact, powerful, and seriously smart. With AI-powered design tools, you can bring 2D artwork to life in textured 3D. No design degree needed, just your imagination. It supports true-to-life color, layered textures, and even fine details like embossing and brushstrokes. Whether you're customizing gifts, launching a product line, or just having fun, the E1 makes it look professional. Need more control? Laser precision and auto height adjustment ensure your work lands perfectly on everything from phone cases to notebooks to leather. And yes, it works on curved and uneven surfaces too. The intelligent workflow keeps things smooth, and built-in templates help you get started fast. It's fast, intuitive, and seriously fun to use. And when you're done, the self-cleaning system kicks in automatically, so you're always ready for your next project. Whether you're a hobbyist or looking to sell your creations, the eufyMake E1 helps you create more, waste less, and make it truly yours. Don't forget to browse our channel, like and subscribe for more cool tech. Thank you for watching.